Opa, the Seagull on the roof. What a beautiful sky. But the Seagull is there keeping a watch. Where should I fly next to get some more of my food? What a beautiful sky there. See? Let's see him carefully. He make my day, that seagull. So majestic. Believe it or not, they're very smart. Just standing up on the roof and watching where I'm gonna fly next. The lonely seagull. Usually there are some of them all together, but now just him. Eyes to see and mind to observe. Yes, I just arrived to the park, and let's see, what can I grab? What I can see? It's nice here, huh? Very special atmosphere. The long keeper, Seagull.